Universal Orlando's upcoming theme park, Epic Universe, may not be opening until summer 2025, but construction has been relentless. Just a couple weeks since our last update has seen new projects start within the massive work site, including more ride supports and footings. Let's check in on some of the more notable changes, like work happening around Super Nintendo World, the park's central hub, and more in today's news update. In our last update, we talked about roller coaster track arriving and being staged near the theme park site. This coaster track is expected to be for the How to Train Your Dragon area and still appears to be staged in the same spot across the street. Despite track not yet being installed within the How to Train Your Dragon area, there are plenty of coaster footings that have been installed. These are mostly positioned around the land's main water feature. The roller coaster will pass under a couple bridges, passing below the water line of the area's lagoon. This will be similar to the way the Incredible Hulk coaster passes under the bridge near the entrance to Marvel Superhero Island at Islands of Adventure. Nearby, the very first coaster footings have been installed for another roller coaster attraction at Epic Universe. These are for the hub's massive dual-track racing coaster, which will be the largest and most thrilling attraction at Epic Universe. This area is where the two tracks for this launched steel coaster will come right up to the edge of the park's central hub. While we know for sure that the hub coaster and the How to Train Your Dragon coaster attractions will in fact be roller coasters, there is another attraction starting to take shape that we aren't 100% certain of. According to permits, there will be two attractions located within the Universal Monsters area when the park opens. One will be an indoor dark ride. The show building for this attraction is taking shape now, and you can even make out some distinct features for the attraction's entrance. The second attraction was originally being designed as an indoor theater, but recent permits and rumors indicate that it may have been changed to another roller coaster ride for Epic Universe. Some footings are beginning to take shape where the second attraction is set to be built, but it still may be too early to tell if this will in fact be a roller coaster. Whatever it is, it does not appear to match earlier permit drawings for this area. As we're probably used to, Super Nintendo World is seeing the most progress. The land contains a Donkey Kong roller coaster, Mario Kart Dark Ride, and the Yoshi Family Ride, along with dining, shopping, and interactive areas. In addition to coaster supports and track that has been installed already, new steel has risen for the Donkey Kong Minecart roller coaster. This section of the ride may contain indoor scenes, as the coaster will go both outside and inside. Work is finally picking up at the area's main ride, which will be named Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. It even looks like the ride path is starting to be dug out and shaped, but there is still a long way to go for this attraction. Yoshi's Adventure, on the other hand, has seen a lot of progress. This family Omnimover style attraction takes place high above the Mushroom Kingdom, and many of its track supports were just installed. Much of the ride and surrounding areas will be built around the supports and track, so they must be installed first. The round structure on top of the building will be a continuously moving load and unload area for the Yoshi ride. From this angle, we can see the entrance to the Yoshi ride, along with a bridge under the ride path and track supports installed to the right. Compare this to how the finished attraction appears in Universal Studios Japan. The black cylinder that has recently appeared will be the mushroom-shaped entrance to Toad's Cafe, the land's quick-service restaurant. Other areas of the park are seeing continued progress, including plenty of steel being added to the large ride in the future Wizarding World area, rumored to take place within the British Ministry of Magic. From the side, we can get a better idea of how tall this building is. According to permits, one section of this structure will be at least 5 stories tall. The center of Epic Universe is seeing prep for several structures, as well as multiple water features, including a large showpiece fountain display. A small ride is expected within the park's central lagoon here, and the shape of the park's large fountain show has become more refined in recent weeks. As always, a big thanks to BioReconstruct on Twitter for providing these incredible aerial photographs. Be sure to follow Bio for more aerial photos around all of the Orlando theme parks. That's all for now, but if you'd like to bring a piece of the parks home, SouvenirSense.com has candles and wax melts that smell just like the E.T. ride, butterbeer, Halloween Horror Nights, and more. Save 15% off every order with my promo code PARKSTOP at SouvenirSense.com. And be sure to subscribe for more theme park news and updates. If you like what we do, consider joining our Patreon for exclusive information and early access. Thanks for watching. See you next time.